Welcome to my channel Starseed Flower. In this video, we will learn the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. First, we see what is rational numbers. It is a fraction of integers. It is a ratio of positive integers or negative integers, but it cannot be zero either in the denominator or numerator. This is the difference between fractions and rational numbers. To add this number, we have equal common factor of denominators. It is easy to add these numbers when denominators are same or equal. These are the like fractions. When they are not in like fractions, then how we gonna add these numbers? For that we have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions by multiplying both numerator and denominator with same number. Or the another method is to find the LCM of denominators and then add or subtract these rational numbers. And another method to add these rational numbers is by crisscross method. Let's see how we add these numbers or subtract these numbers. First we see addition of rational numbers. We add these unlike fractions by crisscross method. First we multiplied 6 into 5, then 8 into 2, and then we multiply the denominators. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. This is the LCM of these two fractions. Then we just add these numbers and find the simplest form of this fraction, that is 23 by 24. Let's see another method of adding these numbers by converting the unlike fractions into like fractions. The first step is we have to make the denominator same or equal, and then we have to multiply the same number with numerator. Let's see an example of, in the first fraction we multiplied 8 with 7. In the second fraction we multiplied 7 with 8 to make the denominators equal, that is 56. Similarly, we have to multiply the numerator with the same number. And we add these numbers and get the fraction, that is 79 by 56 is the simplest form of these numbers, and this is the answer. This is the addition of two fractions. Let's see the addition of three fractions by finding the LCM. It is an easy method when we don't know how to find LCM. Just by multiply the denominators with each other and find the least multiple is our LCM. We multiply the denominators with each other and 12 is the least factor of these three numbers. When we multiply the denominator 3 with 4, 4 with 3 and 6 with 2, we get the least common multiple, that is 12, and these are the numbers we have to multiply with numerator. And we get the numbers, and then we add these numbers and get the simplest fractional form, that is 5 by 3. This is how we add these three rational numbers. Let's see the subtraction of these rational numbers. There is just a difference of signs. Subtract these numbers by crisscross method. Just remember the signs. Minus 2 by 24 is the answer. We add the largest numbers sign in the answer. Let's see the subtraction of three fractions. By multiplying the denominators with each other to find the LCM, then we take the least common multiple, that is 8. And then the same method, we have to multiply 2 with 4, 4 with 2 and 8 with 1. in the numerator, and we get the simplest fraction, that is 38 by 8. This is not a simplest fraction. 19 by 4 is our simplest fraction.